So the last topic that we're going to cover today is the technique to use in loop programming. So in this topic, I'm mostly going to demo what can we use the loop to do. So we're going to demo 4 techniques. The first one is you can have selection within a loop, and the second one is how you validate the input when the user type some value into the program. And the third one is interactive loop control, and the fourth one is how you use the loop for evaluate equations. So let's see the first technique. So the first technique is you can have selection within the loop. So let's looking at this example code. You have the loop here, and inside the loop you also have selection if else over here. So looking at the code, the program will take the input number, either positive and negative. What they do is they will separate positive and negative and compute the total value of each positive number and each negative number, and the result will be printed here. This is the output and this is the input. So for example, if you enter number equal to -1, what happened is number equal to -1 will be compared with this condition. Is it more than or more than 0? No, right? So no, you do the else part. That means next total will be equal to next total plus -1. So it's keep adding if you have negative number. But if your number equal to 2, you will do post total equal to post total and plus 2 here. And how many times the loop perform, how many number you have to enter, is determined by this max num. So max num in here is 5. So you need to input 5 numbers. So shall we see the output from the program, whether it's asking me 5 times to input the numbers? Let's see. Okay, so the first time I input 2 and second, third, fourth, and fifth. So right, as 5 numbers, and they separate the positive and negative total and give you the result. So that is how you use selection within the loop. So let's looking at another technique. Technique 2 is you validate the input. So looking at this example, you ask the user to enter a month between 1 and 12. But what if I enter 13? What should it be? You should ask the user again. That is not possible. You don't have month 13, right? Or you don't have month 20. So looking at this for loop, looking at this while loop, what happened here is you check the input of the user. Here, if month is less than 1 or month is more than 12, you say that is an error, your enter is not valid, so you keep asking until valid month, right? So you don't know how many times the loop will run, but it will stop when the user enter the valid month. So let's see the output. If I run it, enter a month between 1 and 12, but I just make a mistake, put 20, error, and you need to enter again. So this time I will input something that valid. So now month accepted is 3, which is in between 1 and 12. So this is another technique that you can use the loop for validate your input. The third one is interactive control loop. What does the interactive control mean? You can use the input to be the value that control how many times the loop will run. So looking at this example, you ask enter the final number for the table. So you can determine what is the number of row you want. If I enter number here, final will be the number that determines how many loops will run. So let's see the output here. If I run it, what happened? So if I put 5, the final number for a table will be 5. So it starts with num equal to 1 until num equal to 5, increment by 1 with this symbol, num plus plus, and you print this equation. You print num square, num cube, and this is the result from the program. So the last technique is used to evaluate equation. So you have some equation here, and you want to see if my x is from 2 to 6, what the value of y would be. You don't have to calculate yourself. The program can compute x and y for you. You can change if you want x value to be 10 to 100, the program also will calculate. So let's see the result here. From value of x from 2 to 6, what is the output? So here, x equal to 2, the value of y will be 44 based on the equation that we have here until 6. So it's very easy if you want to calculate the equation for, let's say, if you have 20 x value and you want to compute the value of y. You don't have to write or think, just let the program do it for you. So shall we modify a little bit? If I want to see the value from x equal to 1 and x until 20, so I get 20 value of y, right? Let's build and run it here. So that's the result. So if x equal to 1, you get 11, 2, you get 44, until 20, you get quite a big number, isn't it? So if you want to compute, you can use the loop to do it for you. So this is all the 4 techniques that you can use the loop inside and help for your program. So this is the end of the topic for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.